Okay, and when we look at this problem on the right, it's a binomial squared, right? Here's my two terms, 1 and 2. That's a binomial. And I'm squaring the binomial. And it's important to note that I can't just square the first part and square the second part. I actually have to write this out as two binomials, and then I have to FOIL it. Okay, so what I like to say is, when in doubt, write it out. But there's really nothing special about this now. We're just going to FOIL it like we would any two binomials. So the first two, x times x, is x squared. The outer two, x times 6, is 6x. The inner two, 6 times x, is 6x. And then the last two, 6 times 6, is 36. Every time we distribute, we look to combine like terms. So do you see any like terms? Yep, 6x plus 6x. And they're going to add together to give me 12x, okay? They don't cancel. They're not opposites. So this is like having 6x's plus 6 more x's. All right, my x squared comes down, my 36 comes down, and then you're done. Okay, so we have multiplied a binomial squared. Now, it's important to note that a lot of books like to get you to memorize this pattern. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, and what they're saying is that if you look at this as a and b, the first term is always the a squared, right? The last term, 6, is 6 squared, which is 36. And then if you do a times b, which is 6x, and you double it, right, 2 times a times b, right, that's your middle term. So 6x and 6x is 12x. So that's going to become important to recognize when we're going the other way, when we're going from a trinomial and trying to factor it into two binomials like this.